What's up, guys? Got a quick one here today. Just want to show y'all what I'm doing. So I'm in my LS430 and just looked at this dash, and I don't know if this is like pollen or what, but you can kind of tell it's gotten kind of dusty. And this is just the gauge cluster here. So got a little trick for it, and this is just one of the many ways that you can use Adam's detail spray. I got a Barrett Jackson bottle here, limited edition with the red top. So I'm going to use this and a nice little microfiber towel here. And what you do is shake up your detail spray, give a couple shots into this towel. Make sure you have a plush microfiber towel because you can scratch the plastic on these instrument clusters. Another thing you can do is just kind of hit the cluster with one little spray here. Get in there, just wipe all the dust off. Rotate the towel, buff it to a nice finish. There you go. So just did the instrument cluster, and now I can go to other surfaces like your navigation screen and your center console. I just go again to the towel here, get a couple sprays in it, spray your center console. Also maybe hit your navigation screen with one shot. Let me go again to the nav screen. Just lightly wipe it. Flip the towel, buff it. Buff it off. Just light wipes. So there we go. And then down here, center console. Get your shifter. All that wood grain, right? Let's go back and forth over this. Flip the towel. Again, buff it. See how nice it makes that look? So you got your center console done, your nav screen, and your instrument cluster. All just using a plush microfiber and Adam's detail spray. So that's going to be the end of this video. Hope this gave you guys something useful, tips here. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed. Got a lot of other videos like this, a lot of detailing, tips, tricks, hacks, all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next one.